Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Namecheap domain to your Bluehost hosting. So first of all, you want to go ahead to Bluehost and add a domain. I already did that, as you can see here, and as you can see it's not connected to any services yet. So when you have added your domain, as you can see there are name servers, so you need to add them to your Namecheap. So you go ahead here, click on domain list, choose the domain, click manage. After that, you can actually see that this is the name servers and Namecheap basic DNS, web hosting, or custom DNS. So you want to click on custom DNS and enter those Bluehost name servers and click this save check mark. Now it should be added with no errors. And as you can see now, the name servers are on Bluehost, and you can actually click connect, but let's refresh it. It still doesn't show, but basically that's how you connect your Namecheap domain to Bluehost. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.